Hey guys, so here's what the wrist rear relief spring brackets look like. This side has been fixed for all the not weld, but rust that ate through the frame. There's a 24-inch plate of 3/16 that goes up. If you can notice the little rosette welds and bolts, I used to suck it in and left it. These brackets did help out my leaf spring situation though. Did push the shackle slightly forward. I only have one side done currently. And if we walk over, you kind of see how I got the frame supported currently. You can see my plate hiding behind there. All the big openings was just big old holes that I just cut out the dead metal. And I got some plates to take their spots. The left one I still need to cut, but that's not a big deal. Also, you can see all the holes where it's gonna be just rosette welds. I think that's what you call those welds. Just plug welds. We'll go with plug welds. All right in there. There's about 8 or 9 spots where I'm gonna hit it. And then big openings. And then just welded in. We go on the inside. We go on the inside on the other side, which is already done. I did about 2-inch just stitch welds all the way down from front to back. And that was a little bit more than 2 inches, but it worked out fine. And then all the bolts, sucking it in. The problem I have on this side, had a lot of rust jacking that kind of really tweaked this part of the frame. But I don't think it's gonna be too big a deal. I can just put a cover plate on top of the frame here to help reinforce it, give it more life. Then duplicate what I did on the other side on this side. Should work all out. And probably what I'm gonna do next, I ordered my bump stops, which I'm thinking about how to make them live right up inside of the pocket and the K member there, the engine cross member. See what I can come up with that. I do need to get this old IDI out of here eventually. I'll get around to it. Long ass bolt that I need to chop down. It really doesn't hurt anything right now. And once I get suspension figured out, I can start figuring out what shock length I need. 12 or 14-inch travel. Whatever one really fits. And get that all dialed in. Here we go, guys. The side's all patched up. Ready to go. Shackle angle are way better. I did flip them, which made a lot of difference. It does flex, but not that well. Especially with a IDI in it. So that's a 1,000-pound motor. Easy. Think about just taking out that helper relief. Especially with a 5.3 or 6.0 in it. Probably maybe might balance out. We'll have to see when that happens. If you can see that white, I had a little fire in the cab earlier. Kind of sucked, but oh well. Start throwing some of the pieces back on, see what I'm missing. Threw on the rear braces real quick. Got them all welded in. Put a little primer on them. need to fix this tire. Get this clump shit out. Busted Knuckle sells a vulcanized rubber tire patch kit. Something about buying that, getting all this nasty stuff out, and giving that a try. And sometimes get another tire or set of tires. Just try to patch this one up. Alright guys, till next time.